Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today's video is going to be about 5 cleaning products that I use on a regular basis that I get from the Dollar Tree. And then my friend Katie is going to be collaborating with me on this video and she's going to share 5 more of her favorite cleaning products that she gets from the Dollar Tree. Now I do get more than 5 things from the Dollar Tree, but since we were collaborating and we were coming up with a list of 10, we didn't want to give you too many things. So if you want to see more of the items that I use from the Dollar Tree, just let me know and I'm sure that me or Katie can share some more of those favorite cleaning products from the Dollar Tree for you in another video. But y'all let me know down in the comments below if you have any favorite Dollar Tree cleaning products, whether there's some that we have mentioned or some that we are needing to check out that you guys absolutely love. So like I said, this video is a collaboration, so I'm gonna let Katie introduce herself to you, but let me tell you a little bit about her. Her name is Katie Sottile, and she is a YouTube mom. She has a wonderful channel. It's lifestyle vlogs, cleaning, lots of videos that are similar to mine. So I'm gonna let her introduce herself to you really quick, and then we'll get started.
Hey guys, my name is Katie Sottile, and I would love if you guys came over to my channel and checked out my video after you're done watching Amy's video. And then check out my channel afterwards and see if you like it. I do a bunch of cleaning videos, a bunch of vlogs, day in the life videos, mommy related content. I do budget friendly fashion videos. And so if you're interested in any of those things and you like that kind of stuff, make sure that you subscribe. Now I'm gonna send you back to Amy's video so that you can see the rest of our Dollar Tree favorites.
Alright, so as soon as I'm done with my video, definitely go check out Katie's video. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box that'll take you straight to her video and you can see what 5 cleaning products she's talking about on her channel today. And if you are coming from Katie's channel, then welcome. I'm so glad that you found my channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by. And I hope that this video is encouraging or gives you a few tips that maybe you haven't used before, and that you will check out some of my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and then also for anybody that's watching, if you like these types of videos, you like this type of content, make sure that you give it a thumbs up before you leave. Alright, so now I'm going to tell you about 5 of my favorite Dollar Tree cleaning products that I use all the time. So the first product that I use all the time is a squeegee, and I use this in my shower. You could also use it on your car if you're cleaning the outside of your car, but I use this in my shower. We have a little hook that hangs in my shower that we just hang this on, and then when we're getting out of the shower, so usually this happens when we're done and we're all clean and ready to get out, so we're still in, but obviously I'm not going to show you guys of me taking a shower. But usually I do that then. So we'll use the squeegee just to get all the water off of the door, so that way it doesn't leave any water residue behind, and it just makes cleaning a lot easier, and it makes you not have to clean your shower door as often. So the next thing that I'm going to share with you guys are these sponges, and I use these a lot in my house. I use them pretty much in every cleaning video that you've seen has probably had a sponge in it. But this pack that I got is actually a value pack, so that means that there's an extra in here. This one came with 3. I usually get the sponges that have a pack of 2, but I saw this and so I had to use this. But I use these in my sinks all around the house, and I also have used them in the shower or in the bathtubs, and also in our sink in the laundry room, in our washing machine. So I use sponges all around my house, but the main place that I use them every time I clean is in the sinks. The next product from the Dollar Tree that I love is this Lysol Clean and Fresh Toilet Bowl Cleaner. And I love this stuff. I actually have the big version of it too, which was probably from Walmart, but they have these little ones that I like because they're easy to carry around the house if you wanted to put it in your cleaning caddy, or if you just wanted to get a few little ones just to stick in different rooms, they're good for that too. But I use these on the grout in our shower just because this is the thing that I've found has been the best at cleaning quick and getting my grout back to the normal color and not that grimy brown color. So I'll use this all around in our shower on the grout, but I've also used it, obviously you can use it in the toilet, but also I've used it in our kitchen sink. We have a white porcelain kitchen sink, And this stuff seems to, if our sink starts to get a little bit grimy, it'll get like a little tan color in the corners of the inside of our sink. And so I'll just put some of this on it and let it sit overnight, and then I'll wipe it off the next morning and it looks brand new. The next product that I like to use is a scrub brush, and anytime that I am actually using the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner in my shower, I will use this scrub brush too, just to make sure that it gets in the cracks and gets in everywhere I want it to. But I also use this when we clean our floors and I'm scrubbing by hand, just because I feel like this makes sure to get into all those cracks and creases and places where like a towel may not necessarily get. So this makes sure that it's nice and clean. All right, the last thing that I'm gonna show you guys are these rubber gloves. They can be reused, but the good thing is if you mess them up, they were $1 and you can get rid of them. I'm not the type of person that actually goes around my entire house and cleans with gloves all the time, but I know a lot of people do. So if you are one of those types of people, definitely get your gloves from the Dollar Tree. But I do like to use these when I'm working with any of the products that have harsh chemicals in them or bleach or any of that kind of thing. So when I'm using this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner to clean the inside of my shower out, I do use gloves just because I don't want all those chemicals on my hands. But also this would be good if you are the type of person that doesn't like to wash your hands a billion times while you're cleaning. You can definitely use these as well. But I saw these and I just had to get them. They had a bunch of different prints in the Dollar Tree that I have, but I thought these were cute and girly. But if you want some for your husband or boyfriend to clean, they do have some yellow ones too. All right, so like I said, those were only 5 of the things that I usually get from the Dollar Tree for cleaning. I do use several other items as well, and I have mentioned some in my other videos you've probably seen. But Katie's gonna be sharing her 5 favorite Dollar Tree products to use for cleaning in her video, so definitely go check that out. And also let us know if you have any favorite Dollar Tree cleaning products in the comments below. Okay, so that's it. I hope you'll subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!